Oh, hello. Today we are going to unbox a FEDUS 3 meter black in color power supply cable. It is a cord for the desktop in which we can connect monitor to the IC mains, that is UPS, even to from the desktop to printers. So this is a very useful cord. My previous cord got discarded, so I bought this from Amazon with the price of almost 350. So I chose it because it had almost 700 ratings and still rated 4.4. Just trusting that, I ordered it. I could only say about its working after using it for few months, but I must say it is quite a good quality according to its price, and it has fitted quite well in the ports. Power supply cable is a very simple yet important tool in any desktop setup. So that's it. Thank you.